बहुत सारे हमारे इंडिया में आ गए. ओके, so they will also talk about like this. So we have seen this biodiversity hotspot, and we have to give more concern about India and India than the maximum question you can be able to solve. For what is in a biodiversity hotspot and IUCN red list. Clear? And what has been happened in the last 2-3 years. Now, आप लोगों को you have got one notes, and we are going to see equatorial bio. Clear? I said, and I consider that all of you have a knowledge about, some basic knowledge about climate. Clear? Listen here and see. This is northeast trade wind, and this one is what? And they are moving towards equator. And this is known as, so this is a convergence zone of what? Intertropical, means northeast trade wind, and so these are the tropical winds, trade winds, and they are converging here. And convergence के बाद the high heat in the equatorial region every day. I said that this is the reason, if this black region, if I have talked about 5 degree north and 5 degree south latitude, or some book says 10 degree north 10 degree south also, तो इसलिए आप थोड़ा सा एक्सटेंसिव थोड़ा सा देख भी सकते हैं also. I said that in this region winds are not blowing, only the winds are hot wind and hot warm water vapor used to convect up. How much, how many roti that you can eat? एक टाइम में 4 roti, 5 rotis, and then after that you will get saturated. So though similarly when the warm water vapor in this region is what is getting up, so I said that it will saturate the what is atmosphere. Yes or not? After certain period every atmosphere has what? One limitation to what? Hold the water vapor, and when it is able to reach to the maximum holding capacity of water vapor, that time it will become saturated, and thereafter saturation lead to what? Condensation. जैसे ही as the water vapor gets saturated in the atmosphere, condensation starts, and condensation starts means what I said that? Just tell me. Cloud formation and then the rainfall. Again I said that when the atmosphere get, just tell me, saturated. Saturated का मतलब क्या होता है? Relative humidity 100%. Relative humidity means उसके अंदर capacity, it has capacity of holding this much and it has hold the same. It can hold this much. This is the maximum capacity to hold water vapor, and the same amount of water vapor has been hold. That is known as saturated. If I say that this water bottle can hold 1 liter of water, this is the maximum capacity, and it has hold 1 liter water, it becomes saturated. After that if you put it, it will come out as a spill out. So saturated means atmosphere gets saturated, and it means condensation starts, and when condensation starts means cloud formation, and cloud formation causes rainfall. So in this equatorial region every day between 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. between, I said that between 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. what is happening? Rainfall. Yes or not? Between 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. every day between 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. there will be, just tell me, rainfall. Understood it? Yes or not? Every day. क्यों हो जा रहा है? Why it is happening? क्योंकि यहाँ का air कहीं नहीं जा रहा है. This air is, यदि if suppose water vapor is there and one wind comes, then they can carry away the water vapor. Then again there will be coming of water vapor from the down. But air is coming and stopped here. and then started moving upward. So in this region wind is not moving. In this region, so यहाँ का water vapor क्या होता है? It remains over there and it cannot move here there. So every day between 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. it get what? Saturated. 12 p.m. onward it started saturating. 75%, 60%, 75, 80, 90 and 100% saturated. RH 100%, and then condensation and causes rainfall. So how much rainfall in this region? In a year, 200 to 400 centimeter rainfall. So in such high condition, what will be there? Largest amount of biodiversity. Yes. अच्छा ये मुझे बताओ, आप मॉर्निंग में when you get up early in the morning, temperature is high or low? Low. Sun started coming and slowly it started hitting. 12 p.m. it comes 10 p.m., 12 p.m., 3 p.m. and then 4 p.m. By reaching 4 p.m. the earth is getting slowly more heat. Yes or not? आप 4 बजे क्या देखते हैं? 4-5 at 4 o'clock around. What we see that? It is very highly heated. आपको फील होती है कि नहीं होती है? तो टेम्परेचर कितना होता है? दैट टाइम 38-40 डिग्री सेल्सियस. दिल्ली में भी कितना टेम्परेचर है? 40. बट इन इक्वेटोरियल रीजन इफ यू गो आफ्टर 12 p.m. there is a cloud. They are giving heat from which time? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. After 12 p.m. there is a cloud, and 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. onward rainfall. So the sun rays are not able to come. Yes or not? The equatorial region will be hot or tropical region? Our country will be hot. Our region will be hot. Equatorial region is what? Comparatively less temperature. हम लोग आएंगे उसके ऊपर. So I'll say that. और यहाँ पर which north east trade wind and south east trade wind is converging. ध्यान से देखेंगे ऐसे. It is a north east trade wind is coming and there is an which one? South east trade wind is converging, and it become what? Intertropical convergence zone. It became what? Intertropical convergence zone. Yes, it became what? Intertropical convergence zone. Understood? What it became? Intertropical convergence zone. Getting my point? Yes. And यहाँ पर क्या होता है? Wind is blowing or not? In this region wind does not blow. तो सपोज करो कि यहाँ पर विंड नहीं ब्लो कर रहा है, तो कैसा महसूस होगा? What you will feel? You will feel suffocation. Yes or not? And then suffocation means calm condition, completely peaceful condition.